In this video, we'll guide you through the easy and simple process of setting up your comfy Cubs changing table right out of the box. Here's what's included: 2 X-frame panels, 6 side panels, 6 back panels, 2 safety bars, the stability bar, 1 thick top shelf board, 2 thin shelf boards, and all necessary hardware. Step 1. Start by building the top shelf. Attach the cams and screws into back panels 3, 7, and 10. Align side panels 4 with 3. Insert a round cam into each opening and turn clockwise to tighten. Insert the stability bar into the center hole on panel 3. While keeping the side panels steady to prevent shifting, carefully slide in the thick shelf board. Make sure the thick shelf board is properly aligned with the side panels. Then, position back panel 3 so its screws line up with the holes. Check that the back and side panels are flush with the shelf board and stability bar, and press down firmly. If pressing down is difficult, one or more pieces may be misaligned. Adjust the side panels, back panel, shelf board, or stability bar as needed, then press down again. Finally, secure everything by inserting the cam locks and tightening them clockwise. Step 2. Assemble the middle shelf. Attach the side panels to back panel 7, lock it with cams, and slide in one of the thinner shelf boards. Then secure it to the other back panel 7. Next, assemble the bottom shelf the same way, this time attaching the side panels to back panel 10. If pressing down the back panel is difficult, repeat the troubleshooting process outlined in Step 1. Step 3. Lay 1 X-frame flat on the ground. Position the top shelf at the top, the middle shelf with back panels 7 in the center, and the bottom shelf with back panels 10 at the base. Once positioned, secure the shelves in place with screw A and the bolts and nuts. Step 4. Now, position the other X-frame flat on top of the shelves. Once in place, align the safety bars along each side and secure in place with screw A. Next, secure the shelves to the X-frame. Lift the changing table and secure the safety bars on the opposite side. Now your comfy Cubs changing table is ready to use. Quick, sturdy, and perfect for your little one. If you have any further questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. Thank you, and enjoy your new comfy Cubs changing table.